I ain't want to bring the big drum out here because that look kind of foolish. This look kind of foolish too.